Welcome on my channel Drawing by Aqsa. Hello kids. Today kids draw a sketch with me. See what I am drawing today. See now kids and draw with me step by step. See what I am drawing today. Drawing now kids. And see now what I am drawing today. What is this kids? Wow, this is Harchi from Oscar Oasis cartoon series. Kids, do you see this cartoon character in Oscar Oasis series? Its name is Harchi, H for Harchi. Wow, a beautiful cute cartoon character. H for Harchi from Oscar Oasis series. Now coloring with me kids in Harchi. I am doing light brown color in Harchi's body. Wow. Follow these steps and draw and coloring with me kids step by step. Wow. I am coloring in Harchi's body. Now coloring with me kids. Wow. I am dark brown color in belly part of Harchi. H for Harchi. Wow, a cute, beautiful cartoon character from Oscar Oasis series. Harchi playing with a football. Now coloring in football. I am doing different colors in football. Harchi playing with football. It's very easy to draw and coloring in a sketch. Now I am finishing my coloring in Harchi and football.